There's more rape shame for the country. 5 differently abled minor girls were allegedly raped in Jaipur at a residential therapy centre. The teenagers live in a government-run orphanage and are hearing and speech impaired. The warden of that centre, an accountant and his wife are among the 4 people who've now been arrested. Police are on the lookout for the 5th accused. The girls were undergoing speech therapy at this centre that is run by an NGO along with the Rajasthan ministry. The girls have alleged that they were abused for the past 1 year.
5 लड़कियों ने एक कंप्लेंट किया कि हमारे साथ वहां आवाज फाउंडेशन में पिछले 1 साल के दौरान गलत काम हुआ है, अश्लील हरकतें हुआ है। 5 लोगों में से 4 लोगों को हम पूछताछ के लिए हाथों हाथ विभिन्न जगहों पर दबिश लेके लाया गया और उसका अभी उनसे तफ्तीश जारी है।
Joining us for more CNN IBN, Swati Vashisht from Jaipur. Swati, it doesn't get worse than this. This is a government-run orphanage where the sexual assault is said to have taken place over the last year or so. How did this matter finally come to light?
Well, it's a truly shocking story, Ananya. These girls were staying in the child shelter home, which is run by the government, the state social welfare department. And they were being sent to this therapy center, which is on the outskirts of Jaipur on a frequent basis. It's a residential therapy center where they were staying off and on and then returning to the child shelter home. Now, in April, when they got back, they told the authorities at the child shelter home about this incident, about how they were raped, they were sexually assaulted, and they were harassed by the employees of this particular NGO which runs this therapy center. It's called Awaaz Foundation. And after that, there was a child welfare committee meeting. They investigated into the matter. They reported the matter to the police, and the police took action. Now, in fact, all 5 of these people have been arrested. This includes 3 people who are directly charged for sexual assault on these girls: the warden of this hostel, the clerk there, and also a security guard. And besides them, there are 2 other people who've been arrested. The in charge of this NGO, because she shielded the crime. She was aware of what was happening, but she did not, she tried to hush the matter up. And also the wife of the clerk who beat up the girls when they tried to speak about it.
So these were the people who were in charge of the safety of these girls who are said to have now assaulted them. Swati, where are these girls at the moment? They are minors, they are orphans, and they are also differently abled. Who takes care of them now?
Well, that's right. The girls are at the child shelter home, which is run by the state social welfare department at the moment. And you're right, they're orphans. They're also speech and hearing impaired. And the police have recorded their statements through late last night. And after that, these arrests have been made. The security guard was on the run, but a little while back, he has also been arrested by the police.
All right.